Good morning, dear friends. How are you all? This is Ritesh. Today's topic is going to be where to say yes and where to say no. When I heard this topic, there are two things which comes into my mind to explain you this particular topic, that where to say yes and where to say no. कहाँ कहाँ पे हमें हाँ बोलना है और कहाँ कहाँ पे हमें नहीं बोलना है. See, there are situations in our life when we usually end up saying yes to the situations or to the things which we do not want to do. At the same time, we also end up saying no to the situations which we wanted to do, right? So we should therefore we need to understand the situation first of all, right? We need to understand the situation where we have to say yes and where we have to say no, and that's what I'm going to tell you, where you actually have to say the yes and where you actually have to say no in your daily life, in your workplace, and several places right there. So very first thing is that set your priorities. All right, set your priorities for the day, set your priorities for the week, and set your priorities. Have some principles. All right, let's say for example you are at your workplace and you are already overloaded with a lot of work, and your boss has put up some more work for you already. Okay, so at that time, just to please your boss or just to show your efficiency, that you can do it, and just to earn some more incentive, do not go ahead and take up that overburdened task on you. Because what will happen in this is that you will not be able to provide justice to both of the work, the present work which you are already doing, and the given work which the boss has given to you extra. So you will not be able to justify both the works. So make it sure that you are saying yes or no by keeping in mind the priority of the work, which work is very important at the moment for the day, so that you should see it. When you see that thing, I'm sure you will be able to take the correct decision by saying yes or no to that particular task. Next thing is that analyze the situation. Analyze the situation, whether it is really unavoidable and whether it is really genuine or not. See, there are people in our life who really end up into very unavoidable situations, and they of course need our help. So we cannot also simply see the things that a person is really need into a person really needs help, and then you cannot and you are simply closing your eyes and you are not helping him. If you are in the capacity to help, and if you find that genuine situation that really he needs our help, then you can definitely go ahead and help, even if the work is overburdened over you. So don't think about that. But of course you need to analyze the situation, see whether the situation is really genuine or not, okay, at your workplace or wherever in life. So see the genuine situation, and when you see when you find that situation is really genuine, then definitely go ahead and help them. Because there are also times which comes in your life where people take the undue advantage of you. So do not let that also happen with you, because there are some people who will always find a weak goat in the office or at the workplace. They always try to slash your throat by taking undue advantage of yours. So make it sure that nobody is there at your workplace or wherever, that somebody starts taking your undue advantage. When people when people know that somebody is very helpful in nature and we can easily manipulate him, then people always start taking advantage of us. So make it sure that you are not falling prey to that thing. And I hope you have understood the things, understood the topic that I have taught. Please do go ahead and spread a lot of love for this particular video. So keep watching and keep following. Thank you so much. Have a good day.